Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. Today we are going to discuss a question from the exercise 1.3. So let us directly discuss what is given in the question. The question is, estimate each of the following using general rule. So, do you know what is the meaning of estimate? Correct. The meaning of estimate or estimation is nothing but to count or to find the value of something. So here what we need to do is we need to add the given two numbers. Just by observing the given question, some of you will definitely say that adding two numbers is a very easy task for us. We are doing it since class 3rd or 4th. But now what if I ask you, can you find the sum of the two given numbers orally? Now some of you will say, yes ma'am, हम add तो कर लेंगे, but we will take some time. So here I will be teaching you to find the sum or the difference of two numbers orally just by rounding off the given two numbers to their nearest tens, hundreds, thousands or 10,000 places. So let us first understand the concept of rounding off. Suppose here I have considered the number 27. Now I need to round off 27 to its nearest tens. So I am having two options. One is 20 and the other one is 30. Just by observing clearly, we can say that the difference between 20 and 27 is 7. And difference between 27 and 30 is 3. Here we can clearly observe that the difference between 20 and 27 is greater than the difference between 27 and 30. So here I will say the correct estimation of 27 to its nearest tens place is 30. So I hope you have understood this very well. So let us round off the given two numbers to add them. The first number is 12,904. What we need to do here, let us first compare the place values of the given two numbers. So here the place value of 1 is 10,000 and the place value of 2 is 1,000. So clearly we have to round off the given two numbers to their nearest. Yes, correct, thousands place. So let us round off 12,904 to its nearest thousands place. Which are the two options? Correct? 12,000 and the other one is 13,000. Now which one is nearer to the given number? Clearly 13,000 is nearer to the given number. So the best approximation for the given number is 13,000. Similarly, we will round off the second number, that is 2,888. So, which are the two options? One is 2,000 and the other one is 3,000. Clearly, 2,888 is nearer to, correct, 3,000. Now, it is very easy to add 13,000 and 3,000. You can definitely add the two given numbers orally. So what will be the answer? Correct? 16,000. I hope you are very clear with the concept of rounding off. So let us quickly solve one more question. Now here you need to subtract 21,496 from 28,292. Let us first compare the correct place values. So here the place value of 2 is 10,000 and the place value of 2 is again 10,000. As the digit which is at 10,000's place are same. So let us now move towards the next digit. So here it is 8 which is at thousands place. And in the second number at thousands place we are having 1. So, let us round off these two numbers to their nearest thousands places. So, let us try to round off. The first number is 28,292. Which are the two options? Correct. First is 28,000 and the other one is 29,000. Now tell me which one is nearer to the given number? Correct. 28,000 is more nearer to the given number. So the best approximation of the given number to the nearest thousands place is 28,000. Now let us round off the second number, that is 21,496. Which are the two options? Correct. First one is 21,000 and the second one is 22,000. Tell me which one is the nearer? Clearly 21,000 is the best approximation for the given number. Now it is very easy to subtract the two numbers. On subtracting, you will get 7,000. So I hope you are very clear with the concept of rounding off. If you have understood these two questions very clearly, please like the video, share and subscribe the channel Eganeet. You can also download the app Eganeet from Play Store. Keep studying. Thank you.